the days we walked beneath the evening sky. Every word you spoke felt like a lullaby. Time was gentle then, the world felt small. I never thought we'd ever lose it all. Memories still linger through the night, fading slow like a dying light. Echoes of yesterday still calling my name. I still hear your voice inside the falling rain. All the dreams we made are drifting far away, but my heart still keeps your love somewhere. Echoes of yesterday remain. I try to move on, but nothing feels the same. Every place reminds me how you once stayed. Even after years, it still cuts deep. Some wounds are just